Last row, the twins, the 57 is going to be Jeff Watson Jr., and outside of Jeff Watson's Justin Hawkins. And back there by himself in the 105?
Yep, Mark Conning.
Thank you.
Out of Island Lake, Illinois.
He's a shop teacher. His kids have worked on the car. Lights are off. Here we go. Green flag. We're racing.
Black Motor Sixers are on the way.
And Gary Cavan decided to make it 3 wide. Here comes Stephen Hillary to go through the middle of them, maybe. We've got almost 4 wide. Here comes Justin Hawkins to squeeze by Jeff Watson Jr. Look out.
As the 19 of Kevin Byer still holding off, holding pace. The 8 car of Stephen Hillary in the second spot. At 30C is Gary Cavan, rounding off your top 3. But the battle's out front between Byer and Hillary.
Hillary, a former Roadrunner driver here at the Rockford Speedway. Don't remember how many years ago it was, but very competitive in that division as he went to look to the inside. Here he's coming to the inside again.
And that 75 machine of Justin Hawkins working his way now into the 5th spot.
Justin Hawkins just had a birthday yesterday, so definitely like to get a win maybe for a belated birthday present there. Just got some work to do back there in the 75, sitting in 5th.
Yeah, chasing down that 84 of Dakota Paris. Right now, the fun is out front. It always is out front, especially when you're the 19 car of Kevin Byer.
Lots of Monte Carlos, lots of Pontiac Grand Prix. As the battle in the front, we've got a Monte Carlo, and the 08 is going to be a Grand Prix, as Stephen Hillary might be taking the lead. Nope, it's going to be the 19 this time of Byer. So it's Hillary, it's Byer.
Who's it going to be?
Side by side. Here we go. It could be a photo finish. It's going to be Byer. Byer gets it. Wow. Yep, Byer pulls that off on a photo finish. Amazing.
The 08 of Stephen Hillary, as they're still double checking to make sure it is a photo finish.
Very close race.
Yeah, those are one of those heartbeats, especially without a transponder. You're down to your eyes. And the eyes, we'll see who lies as your victor.
So it was a Monte Carlo versus a Pontiac Grand Prix on the last lap. Stephen Hillary wasn't sure who won that race either. I know Byer wasn't sure either. Well, he's definitely happy now as he just got the official word. He is the winner of this heat race. Heat number 4 for the original Sixers. Lots of Sixers here, and the 87 inside row 1 is going to be